trainers, welcome back to a new video. Hope you guys are all doing awesome, and in today's video I'll show you how to get Sinnoh stones in Pokemon Go. These special evolution items are needed to evolve certain Pokemons into their Sinnoh forms, so make sure you stick to the end of the video and I'll teach you how to get Sinnoh stones in Pokemon Go. There are many ways to get Sinnoh stones. I will list 4 of them in this video. So first is field research rewards. Some field research tasks reward stones when completed. Check daily tasks and spin Pokestops for opportunities to get them. Raids and legendary battles is the another way to get Sinnoh stones. Completing certain raid battles, especially during event, can earn rewards like Sinnoh stones. Legendary Pokemon raids sometimes give them as a bonus, so you can go to your Pokestop and complete the battles. Participating in player versus player is also a way to get Sinnoh stones. So occasionally Sinnoh stones are given as rewards for reaching specific battle league milestones, so you can try battling against players to get Sinnoh stones. Another method and the last method is special timed research and events. Keep an eye on special timed events announcement in Pokemon Go. Many events include Sinnoh stones in rewards, so look out for them. Sinnoh stones are limited, so prioritize evolving Pokemon that will give you most benefit while using it with them. And that's it guys, now you know how to get Sinnoh stones in Pokemon Go. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and comment which Pokemon you are planning to evolve with Sinnoh stones. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.